Hey guys, Rick here. Monday, August 3rd. My last video I talked about to follow the leader trades. Looks like it is actually setting up again, except this time on the Russell right here. So what you had was a push up, the down pressure on the NASDAQ, and then a push up into this pin bar right here, this push up on the ES right here, and then this push up right here on the Dow. But you have this push up closing down as a doji, a pin bar doji on the Russell. But looking at the pressure coming in on these next bars right here, this one showed the most potential of following. So I jumped in 2 futures contracts on the Russell at 1230.60. Right now we're at 1231.60. I have a take profit set at 1231.80. 1 tick away, and it just hit. So these are my typical scalps right here. So just to get in and get on out on these particular ones right here on 2 contracts for that one there. So I really love these kind of scalps. Just hitting for anywhere from 10 to 12 ticks on that one there. So that was a great example. I'm glad that happened live on these particular follow the leader trades here. Now I haven't done analysis on where it may push up to, but we're now entering back into the market profile. So let me watch where it closed. So still got 14 minutes left on this bar. So let me watch where it closed, and I may have a profile trade coming up on one of these here. Looks like this is a profile trade on the NASDAQ. I think I missed that one. That's too far up though. My risk to reward wouldn't be very good, and it's sitting right there at the point of control and settlement, and it breached the 50-day moving average. So we'll see if it actually pushes back up here. I'm actually going to sit this one out though, and I need to watch that particular one there. Let's see, what is this? That is a old support resistance line, this yellow line here. And it's pushing on up. All right, now I can actually go for verification pretty easy. Okay, yes, yeah, look at that big push up on NQ. Okay, here's my issue right here. This high volume node sits way too high for a buy sell for me, and yeah, they're way too. So chances are it is a continuation up, but the area that it's in, I'm not really liking so much. So Russell would be more of an ideal area to set a limit buy. But watching the commitment of traders, watching these numbers hoovering around, yeah, I might push on back down to 0 there or thereabouts. So yeah, it still look like it may be pushing up. YM, yep, look at that 0. So that's a better area for a limit buy order. There. Let me look where we at actually on this chart here. So had that bounce off the 7 deviation. That was okay. Chances are this may come back down to test this again, and it may be a decent area to get into a buy there. Okay, we are in the oversold area. Then again, it may not test that. It may be trying to get on back up here and here to this is value area low. It may be trying to get on back up into there. So all right, I'm gonna sit out and watch these for a little bit, but really interesting follow the leader play on the Russell. So, and Okay. Yeah, I say maybe one more decent trade, and that will put me at my profit goal for the day. And even that, I'm still up for Monday, and that will be more than suffice there. So, all right, guys. If I get into a profile trade, I will be back on this video. All right. All right, guys. Looking at the big four here, looks like the Dow may be the best play on this one. So I have a limit order set at 17540 for 2 contracts long on the futures market. Reason I have using this one versus the other one is my risk management can be put into place a lot better. If it feels, my stop will be set just below this wick right here at 17524. So I like that risk management a lot better. And if it does feel, my thinking is looking at the others, they'll actually close within the value area, and that will put the 80% rule in effect. NASDAQ's definitely going to close in there, so it's a chance it's probably may push on up to back up here again. It's 45.97 is the level. I see it was having a top right here, 45.95.50. But I look forward to, trying to catch those wicks into areas that, that'll typically, you'll get a 3 or 4 point wick or a tick wick on these type of things here. Let's see here. What do we have? We got 1 minute left on these particular bars. And if these 3 close in a value area, we'll probably just turn that into a market order if it stays right in this area here at 175.43. It's right there on the oversold line, which I like. And then if and when I get into this order, I'll switch on over to order flow and see. So let me go ahead and pull back up my futures chart and open that ticket just in case I want to get on in here. Okay, what we got? 15 seconds. We're sitting at 145.48. Yeah. All right. Okay, it is in place. So let me go ahead and fill that one there. Okay. I'm in at 17549. And we'll see how this plays out. All right. My stop is set. Actually, I moved it to not below this wick, but below the body of this candle right here. So my stop is set at 17532 now, and that's a pretty good area there. So, okay, I'm watching, and we'll see what happens. All right, I'll be back with an update. Okay, guys, momentum fell way off on this particular one here. It still may push up, but I am getting out with a couple ticks here. So I exited the trade at 17.552, so 3 ticks. So that's pretty much just a break-even trade right now. If you can see down here, unexpected volume, it stopped reaching it on this particular bar here, and it's looking like it's not going to push back up quick enough for my liking. So we still got 10 minutes left on this bar, so it may change, I don't know. But I'm getting out of this particular trade. Well, I am out of this particular trade, and if momentum comes back in, I may jump back into it, just see if I can reach my profit goal. Still a couple $100 short from it for the day, but as for now, I'm not in anything. And playing follow the leader. I see Russell is pushing down, NQ is pushing down, and ES is pushing down. So it looks like everything's starting to push down now. So it's probably going to get back down here and test the 5 deviation line again, and then we'll decide what direction it's going to go in. I still like the oversold area, and this is actually a divergence right here, setting up from here. Just taking a quick look at it. That is a divergence there up to this bar here, down to there. No, it's a big long bar. Okay, so that's actually a divergence setting up. So if we had the momentum behind it, I would stay in this trade, but it may get back down here and test around this area again, which will stop me out, and which would be okay because risk management was in place, but much better just to get on out at break even or a couple points and then look to get back into it versus guessing. So I'm out of this trade. We're going to watch it, and if I get back in, I will be back, and if not, that will be the end of this video. All right, thanks for watching. All right, volume is dead. Look at this, just nothing. So it's falling, and it's just pretty much stagnant here. We're at lunch hour in New York now. It is 12:13 Eastern Standard Time. So I think I am out for these trades. I may look at a couple butterflies. I'm looking at gold down here. It's been channeling for a little bit between these areas here. So if I find a good price, then I'll go ahead and jump into it. If not, then I think I am pretty much done for the day trading, and a couple $100 short of profit gold, but that's okay. It's still early on in the week, and yeah, that's pretty much it there. So all right guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you later. That's my son you hear in the background. Pretty awesome. He always comes visit me in my office around this time. So all right guys, I'll see you later.